In this video, I will be showing you how to create a recipe card in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the home screen and click on Custom Size. I'm changing the units from pixels to inches and entering a width of 5 and a height of 7 before clicking Create New Design. Now that my blank canvas is ready, I'll head over to Magic Media in the side panel. I'm selecting the filmic style and the portrait layout. I'll type in a descriptive prompt for a professional photo of pan-seared salmon with asparagus and cherry tomatoes. Then I'll click Generate. Once the images load, I'll pick the one I like best, right-click it, and select Set Image as background. Next, I'll go to the Elements tab and add a square shape. I'm going to round the corners slightly and then resize it into a large vertical rectangle. I'll change the color to white and then adjust the transparency slider so the background image subtly shows through. Now it's time to add the text. I'll create a heading for the title, Lemon Garlic Salmon and Roasted Asparagus. I'm going to browse through the font library to find a bold, clean style like Bébasneux. I'll also adjust the letter spacing and line height to make it look professional. Below the title, I'll add a smaller text box for the prep time, cook time, and serving information, keeping the font consistent. Finally, add a larger text block for the ingredients list. I'll align the text to the left and resize the box so it fits comfortably within the white overlay. I'll bold the first line and make some final adjustments to the positioning and scale of all the elements to ensure everything is perfectly balanced. And that's it. Your custom recipe card is ready to be shared or printed.